Hi everyone, my name is Rishabh. Today is the 26th of January 2025 and I'll be going over my weekly review of the SPY's front testing strategy. Now, without further ado, on the 21st, we had a buy signal where we made a profit of $4,095.98 US dollars or 0.393%. On the 22nd, we had a buy signal where we made another profit of $890.24 USD or 0.084%. On the 23rd, we had a huge loss off of a sell signal, which was a loss of $6,770.3 US dollars or 0.652%. And on the 24th, we had a buy signal, which we had a loss of $3,113.28 USD or minus 0.303%. And the cumulative portfolio return over this time went from 3.962% to 3.486%, and our alpha went from minus 15.066% to minus 17.274%. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.